Hello everyone. So if your Call of Duty Black Ops 7 needs an update and your game is stuck at 0%, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 7 needs an update but it will not update easily. So first off, you're going to open up the platform that you have the game on. So Steam, for example, you're going to go into Steam here, you're going to go into settings then, and then you're going to go into downloads, and here you're going to click on to clear cache right next to clear download cache, and then click confirm on here. You'll need to log in with your Steam account again, and after that you can log in and update the game and it will update correctly. And now if you have it on, let's say, Microsoft Store, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here run, and then you're going to write here wsreset.exe. What that does is that will reset your Microsoft Store. So now you're going to log into your Microsoft Store account, and then you can go ahead and update your game Black Ops 7 here, and you'll see that it will update correctly. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.